Hello kids! Welcome to our channel! Today we will learn numbers 1 to 20. These are the colors we will use in this video. Purple color, light blue color, yellow color, green color, red color, orange color, pink color, dark blue color. One, orange color. Two, light blue color. Three, red color. Four, yellow color. 5, pink color. 6, dark blue color.
Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will
7, yellow color. 8, green color. 9, light blue color. 10, red color. 11, pink color. 12, green. 13, orange. 14, purple. 15, light blue. 16, red. 17, purple. 18, yellow. 19, green. 20, dark blue. All the numbers are looking beautiful. See you on the next video.